Welcome to another beautiful sunny day in the north. Today's ride is going to be quite a quick one, so I'm taking off the gravel tyres and putting on some lovely new Hutchinsons. Hashtag ad.
Do I get to keep them when you're done?
No.
What's going on my
You do
bike?
not get to keep them. These are for when the Wilier turns up, where the fast bike turns up, you know? You changing tyres as well?
Yeah.
Because you're scared because it's going to be fast.
Yeah, I need to put the fast ones on.
Yeah.
I need to take the GP 5000s off because they're not fast enough. I'm going to change my knackered tyres with some other knackered tyres. That's how I roll these days.
So it's another boys' ride today. The girls are going to be heading out on a different route towards Durham. We thought we'd invite Nick and a guy called Dave Hopper, who I haven't met before. The Northeastern George Clooney. Why is that his nickname?
Well, you'll see.
Do you look like George Clooney? For whoever's interested, these are 25mm Fusion 5s. Wait, what you put a frame pump on me for?
Slow you down.
No, I've got to carry that the whole way.
It's actually
service.
It's actually just solid.
It's huge.
It's massive. Nick's just popped to his car, so should we go so he has to catch on?
Just leave him.
Yeah. I love it when Nick goes aero and I can just sit upright on the tops and still get full benefit. Look. We're only 6.5 kilometers in. What the hell, man? I know Nick. He's got his pain face on. I know he has.
Yeah.
He's hiding it. No, he's like, when does the warm-up start? And you're like, can I shoot some video, please, sis? This is going to be an interesting little ride, isn't it?
I think this bit's flat, you know.
No, it's 57%. A big 7 right there. 9 now.
Stop looking at your bike computer. Enjoy the experience.
Yeah.
His head's too heavy to lift.
He's usually moaning that it's cold, even though he comes out in less layers than everyone else. I feel better after that section than the first 6.5k. That was quite pleasant.
Hills, yeah.
Fuck this.
What do you mean?
Got the hills to come?
That was the hilly bit, wasn't it?
No. No.
That's quite nice around here, isn't it? 50k, 900 metres of elevation. 15k is downhill. So we've got 35k to go.
Assuming going Minster Acres Reservoir, Edmund Byers, Shotley Bridge, back.
Are you going through Ministry Acres or are you going round?
Makes it short.
This is Franciscina.
You know, I just remember you live on top of a fucking big hill. Top of the world.
Even if we went directly home to our house from here, it'd still be about 400 metres. And we're going the hilly way around.
You can leave my car at your house. I'll just go straight home. Much
You
easier.
don't have to. You don't have to ride hard up the hills. Have you seen the size of your cassette? It's got 50 on the back.
This is the first time I've ever been on a smashy ride where 2 of the 4 bikes are one bike.
It's really
50% of
annoying.
the bikes are on one bike.
Yeah.
The next section we're going to go chilled so Nick can get through it, you know. Like, he broke his ribs. We got to give him a chance to be able to get back up to our
Do
standards.
a loop, come back here, pick me up. I'll have it now, wake me up.
Someone may give you some money.
It's funny because when we're riding, you hide it way better than me. And when we stop, it all comes out. You're so programmed to being on a bike and hiding how much you're suffering.
It's not aerodynamics, it's just resting.
It's short.
Why are you in an air attack? So apparently this place is called Minster Acres, and Dave was just saying all the trees here are really, really soft. Good enough to punch.
Contact the southerners anywhere. Come up here, punch the trees, vandalise the place.
Yeah, they are.
Snapped a spoke. So this is part of the tour of the reservoir circuit. I knew there was a climb coming up there, so I thought I'd attack. He followed me and snapped a spoke.
I wanted on camera that Dave Hopper broke his spoke just trying to beat Jimmy and I up the hill.
correct.
That's a amount of force.
First time I did this race ever. Neutralised section is down this road. In the neutralised section, guy slammed on the brakes in front of me. I broke a spoke. So that was a good start to that race.
I'll start doing videos. Every time I talk, I'm going to put subtitles at the bottom because of the accent.
I'm going to have to put subtitles for him.
Mine's not strong, is it?
What do we do? What do we do?
Training time.
That's wicked.
So good, because it's like, there's a couple of little kicks in it, but it's like fairly steady effort,
He
isn't
killed
it?
me.
Really?
Yeah, he killed me.
There's a couple of bits where where you dig a bit deep. Yeah. But I feel I really like that in terms of it flows really nice, I find.
Didn't flow really nice when I
There's that
attacked
bit-
him. It
there's
felt
that
shit.
bit by the houses where it levels out, where you can be like, right, how far ahead or behind am I?
Yeah.
Obviously I couldn't see you guys at that point. I turned around, I couldn't see Nick either.
Hey!
Quite happy with that.
Still can't see Nick.
I know.
Still can't see
I think he's pushing his bike. You two are actually fairly evenly matched in terms of climbing.
Oh, I don't. Let's see.
You don't have a €15,000 superbike.
We've got a camera on. And
You made it. I'm proud of you.
Fairly. Dave Hopper couldn't even finish a good ride.
I know, yeah.
They've been bailed out. Fucking hell.
Probably still at the lights. My recovery time off that ride, take a guess.
4 days.
Yep.
Jimmy, it's quite dark now, and the girls aren't back from their ride yet.
They've got lights. Are you scared? They're probably doing just like banging out 100 miler, because we always hold them up. Well, you always hold them up because you're like, oh, I want to video this, I want to take a picture of that.
Yeah, fair. Or they all crashed into each other.
Be careful, I've got a knife in my hand.
Guy Sunderland.
Sunderland.
Fishing. So that was an absolutely mega ride. It is now the next day. My legs are tired. Northern George Clooney is very, very strong. It was good to have a bit of a smash up all of the climbs. That was basically half of the Tour of the Reservoir circuit. Like I said earlier, that is a current elite racing series. They used to be called Premier calendars, so they're pretty much the hardest races you can do in the UK. Back when I was racing it, it was a 2-day race in the local area, and that was one of the circuits. Unfortunately, we couldn't show you the whole thing because I think they have a part of the course specially opened around the reservoir, but we're going to do some research and see if it is open. We'll go back and check it out because all of it looks amazing. That's certainly one of the best road rides that I've done in a while. It's well up there with the Lake District. Not as steep as the Lake District, which is a good thing. Some of you guys have asked if I can put the routes on Strava. I haven't uploaded any rides since I've been here, but I will ask Jimmy if he's been uploading them anywhere, and if he is, then I'll put them in the description down below. Thank you as always for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. More of the same coming up, and I'll see you guys soon.